the button list will be in the low mode situation to give you some warning, and at the line time the button list will be adjusted to be locked hard, so you'll be very soft to let your eyes to see the flash. So there is the different. So this is our design for this display to let the driver to have more comfortable driving when the warning or display of flash to come into your eyes. And for this explanation, let me have the video for you to explain how the difference adjustable for the nighttime and the daytime of our display. 播放那个视频，那个白天和黑夜，先播黑夜吧，只有白天，只有白天。After seeing the video, you can our fans may have the idea for our display design for the daytime our batteries will be low mode situation, and in the nighttime situation the batteries will be more soft when it will give you the soft lights for your eyes to make you have more comfortable driving when you in the driving situation, so it can be more safety. And for this is our basic introduction for our first generation model. You can see our test strip. There will be another model, and also we have been introduced by my colleague Tina in the PPT. You can see that there is a JIT, and then there will be two models shown on the JIT. This is our second generation model for the display, and you can see that this is the mirror. This is the side mirror click display one. That means that this display use the optical fiber to click on the side mirror, and then that means no need to remove the original mirror. You just use our probe to just click this optical fiber to on the side mirror, and then you have just like the reminding for you on the flash, and then there will be also the sound, the beep sound for you to remind you this button will be installed inside the car. So when you can see the flashlight outside the car through the mirror, and then inside the car you can listen to the sound from the beep sound to remind you. So there also be the second level warning for you. Let me show you how it works. Just like this, when in the first level warning, there will the flashlight to remind you. First level warning just means that just like this, only you just go straight when you're driving, and there will be the coming car or the vehicle on the blind spot area. So there will be the first generation warning to remind you there is some vehicle come in on your blind spot to make you more be cautious when you drive in. And then the second warning, there will be the flash will be more close, and then will be the beep beep sound to remind you inside the car from this buzzer. So this also have the 2-level warning for you for this model. And this model will be seen more like OE1. Although it's just the installation is the aftermarket one, but when you click on the mirror and load it to remove the original mirror, so it will be seen more very high level one blind spot detection on your car to also will be the more safety driving for you. And then the other model display is just like this display is the another design for our display. This one can be stick on the dashboard on your left and right side, and will be the flashlight. This is another design for our display in the flashlight. This is the flashlight for the first level warning, and then when it have the, you can see that the first level warning light is the yellow color, right? And then the second level warning, when you have tend to drive your car and turn on the left and the right side signal light, there will be the second generation warning from the buzzer to further remind you there will be the car coming into your blind spot area. And then the light, you can see that the light is turned black, so have the more stronger warning for you. Should be closer. So in short, you are in the safety driving. This is our 3 model basic introduction of our blind spot detection product. And let me compare to our sensor. For our sensor, you can see that this is the 79 GHz microwave sensor, and then this is the stick one, just stick on the bumper, no need to drill and no need to drill the bumper and keep the bumper in the full one. And for some automaker or some other customer requirement, maybe they want to the dual sensor, just like the parking sensor one. We also have this kind of sensor. Just like this kind of sensor. We also have this kind of sensor, dual one sensor, and this one sensor is also use the 79 GHz microwave sensor. And then just the installation way is same, the location way is same as the sticker one. And then the difference of this dual sensor and between the dual sensor and this sticker sensor, just this one only to dual the bumper, it's only to stick on the bumper, and the dual one is just like the parking sensor to dual on the bumper and then install on the bumper. And then the color can be designed according to the car. So we have provide different solution and different choice for our customer requirement. Tina, would you have any question about the blind spot detection?
Okay, just you introduce the three model. Do you, just for the 3 model, just the display, the different display?
The 3 model is different for the display design and the function. The function is also the same one, the design, and then the different requirement for the customer. And then for the display, and then for the sensor, there will be 2 sensor. One is the sticker sensor, one is the dual one sensor. Just like this, we have developed this kind of product for different range for fulfill different customer requirements.
Okay. Is the sensor waterproof?
Depend. The sensor will be waterproof for the Drew one sensor, and this sensor also can be waterproof. But this one sensor is installed inside the bumper, so
Mm.
the possibility to have the water is not high. So, but we also design this sensor as the waterproof.
How about the IP degree?
The IP degree is. Do you know how variable?
Eh,
The sensor IPS level is IP67, so it's also with the normal standard with it.
Okay. If we are in one country is very cold, is our product it also can work very well. Very cold the weather.
Pardon?
If our weather is very cold, so if our product do the product can work well.
My explanation for our sensor. Our sensor is very use the high level components of it, so it can be used in the harsh weather, such as the very cold weather and slow foggy and raining and the very hot weather. Many weather it can be used for our products.
Okay, if we do you know we all know we have another product is parking assistance system. Do you know the difference about them?
The parking sensor just for use for your parking. You're not in the driving situation. Parking sensor just help you to have the driving, but when you parking, there will the warning in the left driving side and help you to have the better parking for in case to prevent to destroy your bumper for the rear side and the front side. This is our parking sensor function. But for our blind spot detection function is the car in the driving situation and then the vehicle and the barrier come into the blind spot area. When this vehicle came to blind spot area, they will warning to remind you there will the dangerous situation you can crash on it. So this is in the driving situation to remind you. So this is the difference of this kind of product.
Okay, if I'm reversing, is the system still work?
For the reversing, this system cannot work. It only can be work in the driving situation.
Okay. For this display, we have buzzer separated. Is the value adjustable?
For the value of this one is can be adjustable. It only can be turned on and turned off. Yeah, for this buzzer.
Okay. Our sensor is the advantage the frequency is 79 GHz. Do you know the future development of it?
Our product detection product future development will be detect to the more longer detection blind spot detection area. Now for our products for blind spot detection area will be the 3 to 5 meter for the blind spot detection area. But in the future, we may develop for the 10 to 10 area around the blind spot area, so it can be more be useful for the driver to have the more pressure driving when he have used our product to easily to detect the coming car into the blind spot area. And one more point I need to make the complemental explanation for our product. Normal bumper for the car is the bracket one. So our sensor is better to install for the plastic bumper. And if came into the steel and other material bumper, we not suggest to use the sticker one sensor, because when the sticker one sensor stick on the iron and the steel material bumpers, there will maybe some interference for the microwave to transmit to detect the barrier. So we not suggest to our fans to install on the bumper which is not the plastic material. This is one point I need to make some explanation for our sensor.
Okay, we have 3 display available now. Do we have other display in the future?
For other display, we will design more elegant display as other customer has the requirement and the demand for it. As you see, our design is very elegant and it can be designed many structure for the customer requirements. And any other question, Tina?
No.
Just like our team, I am Tina, detailed explanation for our new product blind spot detection. Then our friends may have some clear idea of our product. Basically, you can see that our product is very the appearance is very high-end one, and is also very useful in your driving to make you have the more safety driving and make you have a more good experience when you install our product. And I believe our fans will like it when you install this product, and will be buy more our model with our new generation, because our focus many products with the high technology, such as for this product blind spot detection, and then we also have the FCW for road collision warning, and then we also develop the one safety system. This one very new product in the industrial, that is made the DVR as the basic frame, and then can be installed different kind of the function onto the DVR to show on this display. So it can just the driver only can just buy the DVR and then install the function part as you want, and then to show all the function on the display. So for this product, I will have the introduction for you on the 6th day, and I am Tina, and this is all about our Canon Fairlight installation. Thank you for all the fans to see this live.
Okay, thank you. If you want to have a copy of catalog, please contact us freely. Thank you. See you next time.
See you.